Port Tabernacle Church and all the pastors. Welcome to the field of medicine. And to the parents and visitors who are here, relatives, whoever your loved ones, congratulations as well. I know you are as happy as they are. So I'm here to talk about the Department of Medicine. Most of them had already been expressed by Dr. Weng. Palitan lang natin, after 18 years old, these children come to us. So we cater to individuals 90 years old up to death. Okay? Hanggang mahihilinga pa sila, we cater to these individuals. Okay? There is this, aside from the subspecialty na minention ni Dr. Weng kanina, merong specialty sa medicine na hindi masyadong popular is the geriatric population. Okay? Parang family med sa elderly individuals. Okay? So,